Hey, it's W5HRO. I have an update here on my shop project. I thought I'd do a quick update here on what's been going on. As you can see, the RF deck is still sitting there. That's going to be the first thing I finish when I get this all this junk out of here. Now look, I've already got most of this stuff on this area. Lawnmower, all the other stuff that I had here. And there's a lot of more, all these saws got to go out there. That hose is going to be thrown away. But these are full of like inductor coils and stuff and capacitors, so those are going to be in a cabinet. But I'm getting this stuff, all this stuff, so I got to go through it and put what I want out in the storage building. And that was the whole thing. I had to wait before I could get a storage building. So this is all going to be cleaned up nice and neat. And I'm going to have the bench all cleaned up. All this junk's going to be off this end. You know, all this junk's going to be off this end. And then I'm going to have a desoldering station. I'm going to get one of those decent desoldering stations with the soldering iron and the desoldering iron, you know, with all the, buy a bunch of the tips. Because I need something to, I used to use the ones made by Pace years ago in the industry, but I need to find something like that because I'm going to work on that Yaesu FT101E series. I mean, not E, the BS series. So, I'm going to need a decent desoldering iron. I don't want to use wick, and I hate those vacuum, those manual plunger type where you like the suction ones. I never use those. I'd rather have one of those decent desoldering stations with the iron, and you just you squeeze the button on the handle, and it sucks with the vacuum, it sucks it up through it. Does it that way instead. You just have to clean those things out all the time. But let me go out and I'll show you where the storage building is here. Okay, here's the new storage building. And you can see it's pretty good size. It's the same paint color as the house and the exact same shingles as the house. Matches the house. So, and that's just primer, but you know, hey, that's good enough. It'll last for this year and this winter. And maybe after it gets through winter, I'll caulk everything and I'll put a coat of paint on it. But it's actually paint. It's just a light paint that they put on there. But it's the same color as the house. So it's pretty good size. And I don't think I don't have my key on me. So I can't get in there and show you. But it's a big one. So, hey, it would have made a nice ham shack. You know, excuse me, they do sell the... you know, you can have I didn't order any windows because I was trying to keep the cost down, but hell, you could put windows in this thing, put an AC unit in the summertime ham shack, you know. It's big enough inside for it. So it's pretty cool. So that's going to solve all the junk in the shack problem, because it's all the stuff that I'm going to keep that I'm not going to toss out is going to go in there. And then I can get my radio room downstairs, my radio shack itself. I can get all that radio equipment out of there and get it all organized out in the garage in the shop. So this is the what do you call the shed, the W5HRO storage shed, and then what you have the W5HRO shop, and then the W5HRO radio room is what I call it, just the radio room where I actually operate with my stuff. So anyway, that's all for now. 73s.